Hi, and welcome to another edition of Lee's Thoughts. And today, a vendor sent me a free product. This is a free product and a paid review. Let's get straight to it. This is a woodworking product. Let's open the box and get straight to it. So what this is, it is a product to make perfectly square-cornered items when you're woodworking. So what you have here is two bars that have you have metric and imperial. Metric on one side, imperial on the other, inches and centimeters on the other, one side or the other. And what you do is and that way when you glue the wood together, you'll have perfectly 90-degree joints. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how that works right now. Two pieces of wood. Like so. Down there like that. Make sure it's butted up there really nice. Just go on here like so. Same thing. Make sure it's all good tight in here. Tighten that. So now you have your 90-degree angle, perfect 90-degree angle. Wipe your glue off. And just let it dry. Same thing. Okay, so now we can come back. The glue is dried. So we're going to go ahead and take these out. We'll come back later and we'll have a nice, perfect frame. All right, so we have let this dry. So we're going to take this apart. Beautiful picture frame. Perfectly square on all four corners. Just ready to be finished. So, if you're looking to build cabinetry or anything where you need perfectly square corners, go out and get yourself a set of these. These are awesome.